Hey there, Ray here. Welcome to Let's Talk About the Cocktail. Today I want to tell you about something extremely simple and keeping with the theme of easy cocktails at home. This is a super easy cocktail because everything is sold at the store. I mean, I think it was like a Jewel liquor store. I bought Citronage Pineapple. This actually I think was given to me by my friend Boris, my Russian friend. Patron Blanco. By the way, don't mess with those Russians. They grew up knowing how to drink. They drank vodka. They took apart Kalashnikov rifles in school. Don't mess with them. Anyways, I'm going to show you tonight how to make a pineapple Patron Margarita. Okay, it's very easy. It's 1.5 parts of 1.5 parts of Patron, 1 part of Citronage, 1/2 part of pineapple juice, 1/2 part of lime juice. Let's get started. Now again, I want to tell you, in the tequila world, you never want to mess with anything that's not 100% agave. And Patron is just that. Okay, 1/2 parts of your Patron Blanco. First thing we're going to do is we're going to ice up our shaker. Okay, 1 part of our Patron Citronage Pineapple. This is like 70 proof, 35% alcohol by volume, so it's a pretty good, but sweet too. Okay, 1/2 part of pineapple juice. The sweetness in this is not bad. Plus, these are really convenient. They fit right in my fridge. They stay nice and cold. 1/2 ounce of pineapple juice. 1/2 ounce of lime juice. I'm gonna grab one of these limes there. Put that in your squeezer. Like I say, give that a shake for at least 11 seconds. Or at least until you feel frost in her hand. Now I'm trying not to, my wife tells me, quit making an orgasm face. So I'm trying not to do that. Okay. Get yourself a Hawthorne strainer, which is right here. Now if you want to, you can pour a little bit of ice in your glass, keep it nice and cold. Pour that right on top there. Now this would be a good time to tell you, I would sure like you to subscribe. I mean, there are some people that are right there. The minute I put out a video, Mimi, Mike Schaefer, you guys are great. I mean, the minute I put out a video, you're right there watching the video, putting a comment out. I really appreciate that. Now, the rest of you people, send me a comment. Join them. Let me know how you like this. Let me know how you like tequila, Citronage. Let me know how you like all that stuff. Grab yourself a lime wheel, put that on the edge, and then grab yourself some chunks of pineapple, put that on there too. Okay? Let's give that a whirl. Oh wow, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. But you know what? Ray knows how to make it better. That's how Ray likes it, okay? I'm going to show you what Ray does. We grab our squeezer, we take our husk of the lime, put it right in the center there. Then we put a little mezcal in there. Now you're talking to me. Give that a light. Hey, alcohol, fire, no, it's not good. It's okay. Flame that up. Let that burn for a little bit. I don't know if you can see the blue flame coming off there. You know, I really appreciate you people being very supportive of me because I want to get better at this. So do me a favor, send me some constructive comments that I can work upon. I mean, tell me some things I can improve upon. Tell me some things I can make. Tell me some things you want to see. Okay, let's try that out. Make sure you blow the flame out, not to burn your mustache or your nose hairs. Oh, that's good, man. Oh, that is really good because you know what? It's all about the cocktail. I'll see you just in time for the next round. I'll see you later.